Techno Main Salt Lake, established in 2001, has emerged as a nationally acclaimed academic institution, emphasizing visionary goals and innovative strides over 17 years. Located in Kolkata, it prioritizes research infrastructure, hands-on training, and comprehensive skill development, fostering a conducive academic environment. Faculty, comprising experts from esteemed institutes like IITs and NITS, are pivotal in this journey, with many holding doctoral degrees and engaging in impactful research projects funded by entities like NASA and ISRO. Faculty development programs, in collaboration with top-tier institutes, further enhance their expertise, reflecting the institute's commitment to holistic education and grooming future professionals. Techno Main Salt Lake courses. The institute provides a range of undergraduate and postgraduate courses across various specializations. Here are the details. B. Tech specializations: Computer Science and Eng, Mechanical Eng, Electrical Eng, Civil Eng, Electronics and Instrumentation Eng, Information Technology, Food Technology. Eligibility: pass the 10+2 examination with a valid WBJEE G main score. M. Tech specializations: Electrical Eng, Civil Eng, VLSI and Microelectronics, Food Technology. Eligibility: BE, B. Tech in the relevant discipline with a valid score in WBUT-PGET, GATE. MBA. Eligibility: graduation in any discipline with a valid score in MAT, JEMAT. Techno Main Salt Lake facilities. General admission process. Application form submission. Fill out the online application form on the TMSL website or submit the physical form at the college office. Entrance exam scores. Most programs require you to score well in specific entrance exams. These may include undergraduate programs, GMAIN, WBJEE, or TMSL admission test, TMSAT, for BTech and other bachelor's degrees. Postgraduate programs, GATE, WBUT-PGET, or TMSAT for MTech and other master's degrees. Management programs, MUT, JEMAT, or CAT for MBA and other management courses. Academic records. Submit your academic transcripts and mark sheets from previous examinations. Interview and group discussion. Some programs may have additional rounds like interviews and group discussions to assess your communication skills and aptitude. Final selection. Based on your performance in the entrance exams, academic records, and other assessments, the college decides on your final selection. Common criteria across programs: minimum educational qualification, completion of relevant qualifying examinations with the required percentage of marks, usually 50 to 60%. Age limit. Some programs may have minimum and/or maximum age limits. Nationality. Open to Indian nationals and sometimes international students for specific programs. Physical fitness. Certain programs may require a medical certificate declaring physical fitness. Overall placement record. Techno Main Salt Lake has a good placement record with a good reputation for getting students placed. Techno Main Salt Lake, TMSL, has a good track record of placements, with 90% of students placed in 2022. The average salary package offered was 4 LPA, with the highest package being 8 LPA. Companies visiting campus. Reputed companies like TCS, Microsoft, Deloitte, Wipro, Infosys etc. visit the campus for placements. The placement cell maintains a portal for students to be notified of job opportunities.